Established in 2002, C.H.E.E.R.S is a nonprofit organization that provides a range of occupational therapy services for special needs children and adults, with a strong focus on equine therapy. All 14 of the horses and other animals at C.H.E.E.R.S have been rescued, which makes this place even more amazing. The kindness and love that radiates from C.H.E.E.R.S is indescribable.
I'm Dr. Fritzi Stromat, a doctor of occupational therapy. I am the founder and the director and lead therapist here at C.H.E.E.R.S. We established in 2002 to provide a unique, dynamic environment for occupational therapy utilizing equine movement as one of our tools of treatment. C.H.E.E.R.S is unique in that with the 240 acres, we have the opportunity to allow the kids to engage within the environment using the natural state instead of being within the four walls of a clinic.
Proven benefits of utilizing horses as a treatment tool include language development, physical mobility, stability, strength, visual control, motor planning, self-esteem, and attention.
The brain always has an opportunity to learn. The brain never stops learning. So within the environment and within dynamic movement, the brain has multifaceted opportunities to learn, to develop, and to grow into making a good cognitive processing along with physical processing skills.
Devastation came in 2017 when Hurricane Harvey hit Houston. C.H.E.E.R.S was engulfed in over 14 feet of water and still today is trying to rebuild what was lost.
Mary Elizabeth loves C.H.E.E.R.S and she especially loves her horse Nieves. We just are so excited with her getting to ride, and we really enjoy the fact that she gets to ride on a trail and not in an arena.
So Silas is one of the rarest children on the planet. He has a genetic disorder called GABA transaminase deficiency. He was the fourth ever with his diagnosis. And thanks to Fritzi, she's able to treat super rare kiddos like mine. Not only is the riding incredibly therapeutic for Silas's tone, or lack thereof in our case, but she's able to perform lymphatic massage and drain his lymph system because Silas doesn't metabolize medications. She's truly been a life changer for our family.
I'm Layla, and this is my brother Danny. He's 19 years old, and we've been coming here for almost 12 years now. C.H.E.E.R.S is like a second family to us. They care for us and love us just like a family would.
Hutton is 3 years old and has a genetic mutation called Jordan syndrome. Symptoms include developmental delay, low muscle tone, he's nonverbal, and autistic. He's only started riding a few months ago, and we've been in awe of the confidence and overall awareness it has given him. The minute we turn into the gate, he gets so excited, and at the end, signs, more, more. We've been to many, many therapies over the years, and Dr. Fritzi, her staff, and all the volunteers are hands down the best. And more than anything, they truly believe in our kids.
Hi, my name is Kinsey Barnett. I'm the other OT at C.H.E.E.R.S. I started here in May as a student. I love the kids. The kids make it what it is. Without the kids, I mean, we're not here. Without the horses, I mean, it's what sets it apart from everybody else.
Hi, I'm Alexander. I'm 7 years old. I have SMA, stands for spinal muscular atrophy. Favorite horse is Buddy because he's the one I started off with. C.H.E.E.R.S is special to me because they help me a lot. Miss Fritzi is special to me because she cares about me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kenya Edwards and I'm the mother of Noah. Noah has been coming to C.H.E.E.R.S since May of 2017 and we really enjoy it here, and we think Fritzi is awesome, and she is the reason that I come back every week.
We cannot thank our families, volunteers, or past and future supporters enough for keeping C.H.E.E.R.S such a magical place.
Thank you from C.H.E.E.R.S.